Hello everyone, my name is Aman Garg. I have been working as a Salesforce developer from the last 2.5 years. I am 5x Salesforce certified and 2x Copado certified. I am also a corporate Salesforce trainer and Salesforce mentor to provide guidance in the Salesforce.
Everyone. Today we will see that how to implement Einstein Chatbot in Salesforce or how it we use in third-party website. So before implementing this Einstein Chatbot, we need to check this that how to Einstein bot is enabled in Salesforce. So it is enabled in service setup and just open the service setup. Just click on the setup cog and click on the service setup, and now the service setup is open. After that, just search Einstein bot in quick find box and click on the Einstein bots and just on this Einstein bot from here, and after that just click on the home button and click on the view all. Now just click on the add chat with customers and write the queue name in the queue name, that is chat with agent, and I am just using the same name in the group. Just select the user which is the agent and just click on the next and click on the next button. This is asking the website URL where I will use to this chatbot, or I am implementing this chatbot on the third party website. So this is my website, that is amansfdc.com. I am implementing this chatbot in this particular website. Just click on the next button and it will asking that what's your type, that it you want to use it for the sales, you want to use it for the sales and service, and you will use only the for the contact. So I am using for the service and contact. So just click on the next button and this is showing that offline support is needed or not. That means whenever the agent is not online or at that time you will need any support, so you raise the case. Just click on the next button. Now it is set up our chatbot in the Salesforce. It will take some time, so let's wait and watch. So now it will give in some code. So just copy this code and click on the next button. And again, just click on the done button. So now you can see in the embedded chat. This is called embedded chat. So you can see this chatbot in the embedded service deployment. So this is we have created. Just open this chat with agent, and earlier we have seen one code. So if you want that this code you have not copy at that time, so now you can copy this code right now. Just click on the get code and just copy to clipboard and open the developer console, and I have created one Visualforce page before. So I am just open the Visualforce page, that is chatbot. I am just creating another new. Just click on the new button and Visualforce page, chat with agent, and just click on the OK. Just paste it here in between the apex page tag. Just click on the save button. Now just click on the preview button and you can see the chatbot, it is showing. in the left side. So just click on the chatbot, and the chatbot is open. But before that, we will see some other configurations which is required in the chatbot also. So just back to the embedded service deployment and click on the chat setting and edit. So just click on the edit, and from here pre-chat page. Before open this is a pre-chat page. That is, this is the page. We can customize this page from here. So just edit this, and next we can also use some fields like email, subject, web email, and just click on the name. Just click on the save button. Now after that, earlier we have seen offline support, so you can enable or disable from here. And we can also additional branding of our chatbot. We can enable chatbot, we can change the color, border color, anything. We can customize anything from the additional branding. And this is the code snippet which we have used. Just click on the edit button, and we can also add code setting as well if we want to use some static resource, or we can also use LWC if you want to use this chatbot created by the LWC component, so you can use. And before that, we have some enable some pre-chat pages, that is name, email, and subject. So we will check. Just click on the contact, and now this is very important. You have seen lots of time when you are searching any website, the terms and conditions and the other things. So you can also see. Just click on the save button, and now we will need to show agent is online. So just go to the service console, and just click on the omni channel. That agent is offline right now. I am using that agent is online. So just open this and run this code again. Now we'll see the changes. Just click on the chat with agent, and now you can see first name, last name, email, subject, web email. If I fill this, I'm just writing the first name, that is Aman, last name, that is Garg, email test@gmail.com, subject, that is need a support, and web email, that is test@gmail.com. Whenever you click on the start chatting, this chat is routing to the agent, and you can see here. So just click on the accept button, and now you can see the chat is start. So if I just writing that hello, the message is saying, the agent saying hello. Aman says I need some support, and enter, and this message will shown in the side of agent, and agent will ask again what type of support you need. So Aman will again say that I need Salesforce support. Just enter. Again, this message shown to the agent. So like this, we can communicate with the agent. We can get the support. Now we will see that how to use this Einstein chat in the third party website. So just back to the embedded service deployment page and select search here, that is chat, and click on the chat button and invitations. So just open the chat with agent and just copy this code and just paste the code it here in between the head tag. And I'm just run this code. Maybe it will not run, so we will need to whitelist this website at our end. So we will need to add in the codes and just click on the new, just add the website name and just click on the save button. Okay, just try again, click on the save button. Now the website is added in the course and we will see again. Just click on the run button. Okay, maybe it will not work in the head. We will need to see again in the body tag. Just click on the run button. So yeah, you can see chat with an expert. So just open this chat and you can communicate with the agent. So I am just writing, that is Ankit Verma, testing@gmail.com. Subject is need Salesforce support. Just start chatting. So if you click on the start chatting, the chat is showing here. If you just accept the chat, and you can communicate with the agent and you can take the support from the agent. Whenever you click on the end chat, the chat is ended and you can see the closed chat ended by the agent and you can close the chat. So you can implement this code in our third party website in between the body tag. Only you just need to whitelist your website name. I hope you have understand the concept or you have learned that how to implement chatbot in the Salesforce org and how can we use it in the third party website. So if you like this video, then please do like, subscribe and comment.